Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Let's fill my bullet journal for Feb 29, 2024, the last day of February. For my health log, I was feeling migraine yesterday, and for my rate my day, I'm going to give it a 4 star. For my anxiety tracker, I had no anxiety, and for my dream tracker, I saw a weird dream. For the weather tracker, it was cloudy outside, and for the stress log, I had no stress, alhamdulillah. For the sleep tracker, I sleep between 6 to 8 hours, and for my rate my sleep, I'm going to give it a 4 star. For my reading tracker, I read between 30 to 40 pages, and for my reading tracker shelf, I completed my book Silent Patient, so I'm going to fill both of the shelves with blue because the cover page of Silent Patient was blue. I started my book Silent Patient on 1st of Feb and it got ended on 29. I'm going to give it a 5 star as it was full of suspense and it was really wonderful. For the years in pixels, it was a happy day, alhamdulillah. For the 1000 hours outside, I remained 2 to 3 hours outside. For the water tracker, I drink 8 glass of water, and for the day spent, it was both indoor and outdoor. For the meal checker, I had a whole eating yesterday, and for the namaz checker, I said 3 times salah. For the spiritual log, I said 2, that is Yasin and Quran. For the painting checker, it was not a dedicated day. For the walk checker, I walked around about 45 minutes to 60 minutes. For the book checker, I haven't started to write any book yet. For the YouTube checker, I posted a video on YouTube. For the Instagram checker, I haven't posted any post on Instagram, and for the TikTok checker, I posted a video on TikTok too. That's it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.